Why smart, responsible people still carry consumer debt? Have you ever noticed that some of the smartest, most responsible people you know still carry credit card debt or even multiple loans? It seems strange at first. They budget carefully, save a little, maybe even invest. And yet, month after month, the interest keeps growing. Why does this happen? Let's take a simple example. Imagine Sarah, a 26-year-old marketing professional in London. She earns £2,800 a month after taxes. Her rent is £1,000, utilities and groceries cost £600, and her car loan is £300 a month. That leaves her about £900 for everything else. Sarah also has a student loan and a £4,000 credit card at 18% interest. That's roughly £60 a month in interest alone, without reducing the principal much. On top of that, she sometimes uses the card for small treats, a dinner out, new clothes, or a weekend trip. At first, it doesn't feel like a big deal. £60 or even £100 seems manageable in a month, but over time, it quietly reduces her financial flexibility. Here's the thing. Sarah isn't careless. She's making rational choices within a system designed to encourage spending. Credit cards, loans, and installment plans make it easy to buy now and pay later. That small, comfortable compromise, I can afford this month, I'll worry about it later, feels harmless, but the math tells a different story. If Sarah only makes the minimum payment on her £4,000 balance, it could take her over 4 years to pay it off. By the time it's gone, she will have spent almost £2,000 on interest alone, half of the original debt, without even buying anything new. That's the real cost of manageable debt. Why do we do this? Human psychology plays a big role. Our brains prioritize immediate comfort over long-term planning. £60 a month in interest doesn't feel like a big loss today, so we ignore it. Social pressure and lifestyle expectations also make it seem normal to maintain a certain standard of living, even if it means carrying debt quietly. Financially intelligent people approach these decisions differently. They plan their expenses with clarity, avoid high-interest debt whenever possible, and make trade-offs deliberately. They think about the long-term cost of even small monthly payments and choose what really matters rather than what feels convenient in the moment. It's not about luck or earning a huge income, it's mindset. So, why do responsible people still carry debt? Because life is complicated. Systems are designed to make spending easy, and choices are subtle. Understanding this doesn't shame anyone, it simply helps us see clearly how today's decisions affect tomorrow's financial freedom. If this perspective helped you think differently about your own spending, consider subscribing for more calm, analytical insights about money in everyday life.